Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix some websites not loading or some websites not opening in any browser on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix some websites not loading or not opening in any browser in Windows 10 computer, in search type control panel, click on control panel. Now in upper right corner view by, now category is selected, click on the drop down menu and select large icons and then click on internet options. Now click on connections tab and then click on LAN settings. Here under proxy server, use a proxy server for your LAN. Now it's enabled, just deselect it to disable it. Now click on OK and then click on OK. Hope your problem is solved. If your problem is not still solved, right click on start menu, click on run. In run type ncpa dot cpl. Now click on OK. Now right click on your network adapter and click on properties. Click on internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Here in DNS server setting, now obtain DNS server address automatically is selected. Just click on use the following DNS server address and type the address 8.8.8.8 and type the alternative DNS address 8.8.4.4 and now click on OK, then click close network connections. Hope your problem is solved. If problem is not solved still, in search type cmd, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes. Command prompt has been opened. Now in command prompt type ipconfig slash plus dns, ipconfig slash flash dns. Now hit enter. Successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Now close command prompt. Hope your problem is solved. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.